Okay, so let's learn how to install and use StorURL. Start by going to the HazteK software website and downloading the StorURL installer. So we'll just go to Desktop Applications, World Wide Web, StorURL, and we'll download the installer right here. Hit the big green button. Save the file on your system locally. Once it's complete, just launch the application. In Windows 10, since I have not paid for a certificate, I need to allow this to happen anyway. So we'll hit run anyway, and it will still ask you, are you sure you want to make changes? Yes. So then you'll step through the installation process. It's pretty simple. If you want to, you could read through the changes. Just install it here, and we'll make sure we want a desktop shortcut so it's easy to get to. And go ahead and click install. The first time you install it, you will need to install the C++ 2005 runtimes. While that's going, we'll close our browser and we'll launch StorURL. First thing it's going to do when it loads is ask you if you would like to create a database. I'm going to say yes, because that makes the most sense. I don't want a password right now, so I'm just going to hit OK, and we can talk about that later. So there you have it. That's StorURL. And when it starts up, basically you just have one bookmark to my website, and that's about it. If you want to add a new website, you can click new, and let's say I want to go to Yahoo. We'll just go ahead and type that in. We'll hit the autofill button and let it fill it out for us. It will hit the Yahoo website, get the details about it, and that's about it. And let's say we want to add a second one here as well, and we'll call this one Google. We'll do the same thing with Google. We'll autofill, and we'll say done. But now we realize, hey, these are both search engines, so let's actually make a new category. So we'll right click and default here, and we'll create a new category, and we want to call this search engines. So go ahead and hit OK, and then you'll see now that there's a search engines folder here with nothing in it. We could take our Google and our Yahoo, hold control to select both of those, and just drag them into search engines. As you can see now, both search engines are in a subdirectory of default, but I don't really want search engines to be a subcategory. I want it to be a primary category, so I will go ahead and promote it, and now it is a primary category. So that's simple enough. But let's say we're using our browser and we want to go to ESPN.com, and we wanted to bookmark ESPN for later use. What we can do now is drag the ESPN logo here from the URL bar and just drop it in, and it automatically fills out all the information for you. You can look it over, change the details if you want, or just hit OK. ESPN is not a search engine, so we'll move that back into default for now because that's a better place for it. And that's pretty much how it works with StorURL.